Hi everyone, this is Victor Pandian. I'll be the instructor for you this session. Hello everyone, my name is Victor Pandian from Learn Digital Academy. So in this session we are going to learn about shopping ads. Now what is shopping ads? As the name says, people can shop your products. So the moment you go to your Google and look for the products like mobile phone. Now what is this mobile phone? This is the keyword. Now this mobile phone, the moment we type it on the search engine result page, we are getting the result at the top which says ADS. And who is promoting it? It is promoted by Amazon. The top three results are advertisement. Now towards your second tab, can you see shopping again? Let's click on the shopping tab now. This is specially for shopping people. Okay. The top result, the full list over here, it is advertisement. So people, Amazon and VLE Bazaar, Amazon, Best of India. So these people are promoting advertisement on the first positions. Okay. And you can see the other result over here. And you can see the free listing also if you scroll down a bit. New Yes 20 Plus smartphone, one piece from Alibaba, Nokia India. Now what are these called as? These are called free listing. Now how should we do the free listing and how to add a product in Google? That we'll be learning it now. If we scroll down till the last, you'll be able to find the advertisement at the bottom. Can you see their advertisement ADS? Now what are these called as? These are again called as advertisement. So as the Google algorithm say, we saw the similar feature on Google search also. Yes, the first advertisement, the first three or the top four will be the advertisement when we search it on Google, and we will get the organic result, and at the last again we will be getting the advertisement 3. Okay, similar way the same formula is applied for here also. You'll be able to see the advertisement at the bottom and organic result, that is free listing at the middle, and at the top result will be your advertisement. Now what are the key features that we have to focus on? Whenever we are creating a campaign, we have to focus on the image. That is the first attribute what we have to look about, because looking at this image your customer will make a decision whether to go for it or not. Okay, then you have to talk about your brand. The complete information needs to be given over here. Then you'll be talking about the pricing and the merchant who sells it. Okay, so let's check into this. Now whenever we are creating a search campaign, we need two platforms. The platform number one will be Google Merchant Center. The second platform will be Google Ads. Now what we will do in Google Merchant Center is we'll be adding all our product to the Merchant Center place. As the name says, Merchant Center, we are the merchant. That's the marketplace where we'll be adding all our products over there. So we'll be adding the products, we'll be talking about the description about the product, we'll be talking about a brand, we'll be talking about the Google product category, we'll be talking about the pricing and the shipping details and a lot more. The first thing is we have to verify account. So let's do that practically and understand how Google Merchant works. Okay, so all we need to do is just open a new tab and look for Google Merchant Center. So this is the platform. So what we have to do is you have to click upon Get Started and click upon Get Started again. You need to create an account over there. Now before going into this place, I just want to add few more tips to you. Where all can we see this shopping ads? We can see this shopping ads on the shopping tab on Google search engine. You can also see them on the YouTube. You can see them on the Gmail and the other Google partner network. Like the other day we were talking about the example of Bangalore Mirror, newspapers. Yeah, on those websites your advertisement will be seen on your Play Store and on your Google Discover. So wherever possible, Google focus on those areas and it will start showing you advertisement over there. Yeah. So let's go into Google Merchant Center first. So I already have an account. So the people who are starting for the first time, you just need to fill your details. So what are the details that you fill? You'll be talking about your business name. You'll be talking about where you want the traffic to come, on your website or on your physical store. You have to mark on your website and you need to scroll down and you have to click on I accept terms and conditions So once you do all those steps, you'll be entering into this particular phase. Now what we have to do here, towards my left, can you see that taxes, shipping, website, products, and Google Ads? So taxes, you don't have to worry if you're creating a campaign in India. Don't have to worry. This is specifically for United States. Okay. The next one is we have to add the shipping details, and we have to verify the website URL, and we have to talk about the products, and we have to integrate the Google Ads account. Okay. So let me create a campaign for you. Let me show you how it works. Alright, so let's list all our products on Google for free. So here we have to enter our business information. For learning purpose, I'm giving it as Amazon Shopping. You have to talk about your business. You have to give your genuine business name. Select your country and standard time. Let us scroll down. Where do you want your customer to check out? You need to click upon the first option on your website and scroll down. We are not going to use any of these tools now. Let's scroll down, and you have to mark I have read all your terms and conditions. I would personally suggest you to read all the recommendations that Google is going to give you, and please go through all the terms and conditions that Google is trying to convey. Great, your account is now ready to use. Let's click on this continue now. Now we are in the free listing setup. Let's list our business for free. So here, as I told you, this is the place we have to set up every little information. The first one is tax, which is for United States. Okay, even if you click at this, it will clearly tell you like it seems like you're not a part of United States. Can you see here? You appear to have business addressed in United States. We're proposing this setup for you. Okay, so there is no point in focusing on this. Let's go back. So what is the next thing that we have to do? If we scroll down, the first and foremost thing that we have to verify a URL. So we need to click on this verify URL, and we need to drop our website URL over here. So https learninternet.online. So make sure you have first e-commerce website, guys. Okay, so for learning purpose, I've created a website. Let me check whether it's active. Okay, there was an error over there. No problem. So just drop your website URL here, and you need to click upon continue. So once you click upon continue, your website is unverified and it is unclaimed. Now what we have to do is we have to scroll down and click upon this option called add an HTML tag or upload an HTML file to your website. Now we have to just copy this particular meta name and go back to our dashboard and place it. So let's check it now how to do that. So let's copy this meta name again, and let's go back to the dashboard and paste it. So this is the dashboard of your WordPress. What we have to do is we have to hover on this plugins and click upon add new. So you'll be looking for a plugin called insert headers and footers. Let's add that plugin now. Let's click on add new and look for insert headers and footers. Yes, this blue color one, you just need to click on install now and activate it. Alright, so there is some error with the directory. So what you have to do is you just need to click on this plugin, and you will be having a head section of that plugin. You need to copy that code and paste it over there. So once you have pasted that, you'll be getting an option called once you have pasted that, your website gets this check mark, and your website will get this check mark because you have to verify and claim it. Okay, how to verify and claim it? So let's scroll down. Can you see the verify website? You just need to click on this verify website. So it will throw an error for me because I did not copy the relevant code in that section because I had some error with my cPanel. Then after that, you need to claim it. You will get an option over this place. You have to claim it. Done. Now after that, what you have to do? The next option, what we have to do is we have to add shipping. So let's add the shipping now. So we'll be entering this shipping place. So let's click on this plus button and add a name. So let's say you might have observed on your Amazon.com free delivery, home delivery. So this shipping service name is for your reference. So give something called as quick delivery. Okay, and select your country. Then we have to click upon next. So delivery location will be obviously to the customer location. Now, what is order cutoff time? Now, at this particular time, after this time, I will not take any order. Okay, I'm closing my order after this time in a day. So morning at 6 o'clock, you open your shop. And after, let's say after 11 p.m. you close your shop. After 11 p.m. you cannot take any order, right? So that you have to make it here. Now, just click upon this and I'll make it to 11 p.m. After this time, I will not take any fresh orders. Again, I'll start it from tomorrow. The next one is you have to select your time zone. So look for your Kolkata. Yes. And the next one is handling time. Now, what is handling time? Now, you have got an order from your customer. Now, you have to wrap it. You have to put your label from address to address, and from the from the godown you have to take it, warehouse you have to take it, wrap it. Then you have to give it to your customer hand. That not the customer hand, your delivery partner's hand. How long you will take? Probably it's 0 to 1 day or 2 to 3 days. That you have to write here. I repeat again, customer has placed an order. Now you have to wrap it. You have to put your label from address and to address. Then you have to give this parcel to the delivery guy. How long it will take? Let's say from 0 to 1 day. And here days to be fulfilled. If you click upon this option, businesses work from Monday to Friday, Monday to Saturday, Monday to Sunday. Okay, so my business work from Monday to Saturday. Sunday I'm on off. The next option what we have is transit time. Now what is transit time? Now you are given to your delivery guy. Now how long that delivery guy will take to reach to a customer place and deliver the product. Okay, so probably from 1 to 2 days. And you have to specifically look for the days also. So he's also working from Monday to Saturday. Now on the whole, what you're trying to tell him is, tell your customer, it will take minimum 1 day and maximum 3 days to reach the customer place. Alright. Then let's click upon next. Okay, this is more beautiful one. So customer shipping cost. How much do customer pay for quick delivery? Okay, the quick delivery is what I have given there. Now free shipping over a certain amount. Now you might have observed on Amazon.com like minimum purchase should be $4.99, $6.99. For that, if you make a purchase of 699 rupees, then there is no delivery cost for you. Okay. Suppose if it is less than that particular amount of 699, there is certain cost, 50 rupees delivery charges, 49 rupees delivery charges, that we have to set it over here. So I'm making it as 499 rupees. So it clearly says for the orders below 499 rupees, I charge 49 rupees. Okay. If it is 499 and above, I don't charge them anything. It is free. Okay, so free shipping over a certain amount. The next option is free shipping for everyone. Okay, they let the customer buy a product for me for 100 rupees, the delivery charges for free. 200 rupees, the delivery charges is for free. Okay, so it could be lakhs also, I'm providing it for free. The next option is range based. Your shipping rates depends on the order value. Now for the order below, let's say 499, you charge 49 rupees. Orders above 499, how much do you charge? I charge, let's say 30 rupees only, because he's buying more product from me. I'm getting more profit, so I can sacrifice something on this. Or for the better understanding, I'll make this as 999 and this as 100 rupees, or let me say 99 rupees. Okay, So it says for the orders below 999, I'm charging 99 rupees for the customer. Orders going above this 999, I'm going to charge only 49 rupees to them. Getting it? The next one is flat. Let's click upon flat. All orders are shipped for 49 rupees. So here all orders are shipped for free. Here it's all orders are shipped for 49 rupees. Getting it, guys? So what we have to do next is you have to click upon save. Pretty simple, right? So successfully we have added the shipping details over here. Let's click upon all the shipping services. Now you can see express delivery, easy delivery, quick delivery. This is what I have set now. So whenever you are creating a campaign, you need to enable this particular shipping option or disable it. Okay, now we are done with it. Let's go back again. Now what is the next thing we have to do? We have to add the products. Let's click upon continue and I'll show you where is the place where we need to add the product. Now can you see that check mark here? So you guys will be getting the check mark for your website also. Once your website gets verified, your shipping also will get verified. The last one what you have to do is products. Then after that I'll teach you how to integrate with the Google Ads account. So my products got disapproved. It's okay, but I'll show you how to add the products. You'll be having the pencil option here. You're like this. You have to click on that, and you guys will be entering into this particular tab. Okay, products. So let's click upon all products. Now this is the place where we have to add the products. So there are two kind of products that we will be adding. One thing is adding an individual product, and I will also tell you how to add the products in bulk. Okay, so let's click upon all products and let me click on new. So this place I will be adding the products individually. Okay, so let's scroll down. The first thing will be your product identifier. So usually most of the product will have the barcodes, remember? So it depends upon the country to country. Okay, so GTIN, UPC, EAN, JAN, ISBN. So these are the product identifiers that you have to set. So it will be having a combination of numeric and alphabets also. So please try to add it if you have it. Let us scroll down. The next one is stock keeping unit. So suppose if I'm selling Samsung 123, something like that, you will be having a product ID, which you yourself will be setting it. Okay, so that product ID details you have to give it here. The next one is title. So for this, I would give you the real-time scenario. Let's go to Google and look for it. Right. So let us scroll down. Let's take the example of this Nokia. Okay. One sec. This is even more better. Yes. Can you see here? Original Vivo IQ. He has given the complete detail about the product. So let's copy this as a title of the product and we'll go here. We will paste it. The character limitation for you will be 150, guys. Okay. So make sure you have the relevant product size with you. Now what is the next thing that we have to do? Brand. What is the brand? Let's go back here and understand what is the brand. So this brand is Vivo, right? Vivo. So let's go back and add here Vivo. Vivo is my brand. Then I have to talk about the complete description, guys. Complete description I will be giving. So let's click on this view product details. More. Yes. Can you see the length? So please align it properly. This guy has not aligned it properly. This is too shitty actually. So copy this and paste it on your description part. I have just filled 2500, only finished the half of it. Okay, so try to give the relevant details and add it. Once you are adding it, what we have to do, we have to add a landing page. After clicking at this advertisement, where you want the customer to land in. So let's click on this. Now if you click on this, you'll be entering into a page, right? This page is the landing page. So let's go back there to your merchant center and give your landing page. Done. Okay, now what is the image link? See, every product will have a link, guys. If you click on this, let's click on the page source. Just give me a minute. Okay, let's check the pricing for image URL for this. So it is original Vivo. So let's go to the page source and let's find it out. Okay, if you type wp-content, you'll be able to get the images over here. Can you see this? Gadgets, small, WP content upload. So let's copy this and paste it in a new tab. Yeah, this is the image URL of this particular product. Now what we have to do, we just need to copy this and we have to paste it over here as the image URL. Make sure you copy it from the same domain, guys. This for the learning purpose, I'm taking it from others. So you have to give the same URL. Or there is another option where you can add it. So let's scroll down. Can you see the browse option here? You'll be browsing it from your own system. So the size that they're expecting is 250 into 250. So let's go to Google and look for that size for the learning purpose. All right, so let's go back to the merchant center. Let me add this product over there. This will take some time to get processed. Okay, I've added my product details over here, my image. The next one is pricing and availability. What is the pricing that you are setting for this particular product? Let's go back to the Google and check what is the pricing here. So 29,000. One sec. So okay, the price is too much. Okay, let's just give me a minute. You have to talk about the pricing here. So let's go back. I'm for the learning purpose, I'm giving 29,999 is the pricing. So always have an option of giving 999 option. Now what is the next one that we have to do? Availability. Whether your product is readily available or available for order, that means they're accepting your order now. Whether it is in stock, readily available to buy it. And the next one is limited availability. Only limited stock is there with you. Out of stock, there is no stock with you. The next one is pre-order. So I would always recommend to keep it as in order. Then let me scroll down. Next one is detailed product description you have to give. So here what you have to do, if the condition is new, you'll mark it as new. If you're selling a refurbished products, mark this as refurbished or used. Then after that, suppose if you're selling an apparel product like shirt, pant, something like that, you have to mark this option there. And you have to come down and talk about all the color details. So gold, and the next one size that is available is XL, L, M. Those details you have to give. And the next option what we have is for genders, you have to select male or female. Then whether it is applicable for kids or elders, that you have to give. So this is group item ID. If you want to give, you can give, or you can exclude it. Then after that, you just need to click upon save and continue. So let's scroll up. I'm not selling this apparel, so I'm unchecking it. Then we have to scroll down. That's it. We have set the tags. Click upon save and continue. So domains mismatch, right? So let's scroll up now. Okay, I've given the different domain here, and for the learning purpose, I had given a different domain. So make sure you give the relevant domain. Now we saw how to add the product. That's it, guys. So this is how we will be adding the individual product. Now, what is the next thing that you have to do? You have to add the products in bulk. So for that, what you have to do, you have to click upon the product, all products option. Now towards your left, can you see feeds? You just need to click upon this feeds. And you need to add the new feed. Let's click upon this add new. So I've already created multiple feeds. Select a language and scroll down. So here select the destination from the free listing and from the shopping ads. From the two, you'll be adding it. So let's click upon the continue. The next one is we will be clicking the first option, that is Google Sheet, where we'll be adding all the data over there. So let's give a name to it, demo feeds. Let's click upon continue. So you need to sign up using your same email ID. Make sure whenever you're creating a merchant center and you're going to create a shopping ads, you have to use the same Gmail ID whatever you're created for your Gmail Google Ads account. The Google Ads account and merchant center should use the same Gmail ID, guys. Now once this is done, all right, we will be entering into this particular place. We need to scroll down. Can you see here demo feed for mobile? On the next one is demo feed. This is what we have created. Let's click upon open. Great. So here what we have to do, first thing is we have to delete all the unwanted details over here. Let's delete it. I'll tell you how it works. The first one is you have to give the product ID. Let's say I'm selling an Apple 1, something like this. The next one is you need to talk about your title. What's the title here? This entire thing goes the title. So copy that, paste it there. The next one is you have to talk about the description. Copy the complete description, guys. Copy the complete description from 6.6 inches. See why we are giving this, guys. See, basically whenever you give the relevant information, there are high chances the customer will get converted, guys. Okay, so I have added all the data here. The next one, what I have to give, the link. Now what is the link? It is the final URL, www.learninternet.online. Like after looking into this particular page, I'll be entering into a page, right? Mobile phone ka page that you have to give. The next one is condition. What is condition? Whether your product is new, refurbished or used. So I'll just make it as new. What is the pricing for this? 29,999. Availability, in stock. Okay, in stock or pre-order, those things you'll be adding here. Now what is the image link? As I showed you, this image ka link. Okay, you'll be pasting it here. This one, copy it, paste it. The next one is G10. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, let me delete it. So whenever you're having a whenever you're selling your product, you'll be having a G10, guys. So don't worry about it. Please give that. The next one is MPN. That number also you'll be having. You'll need to give that as well. Brand. What is the brand? You'll be talking about a Vivo. The next one is Google product category. Now what is Google product category? I would like to give an example of Apple. Now what is Apple? I say it is a fruit, and another person says it is a mobile phone. Now how do Google categorize it? So for that you just need to open a Google new tab and look for Google product taxonomy. Okay, can you see here? This is the product category. If someone is looking for cat toys, now how do you categorize it? Animals and pets clinic. Under that you need to use this symbol, guys. Okay, under that it is pet supplies, under that it is cat supplies, under that it is cat toys. So you just need to copy this and paste it over there. Okay, so Google is having a very good list over here. You need to politely check and understand how you're going to categorize your product. So for learning purpose, I'll do it manually. So let me delete this. So it is an electronics. Under an electronic, it is a smartphone. Not smartphone. I'll just write mobile phone. Mobile phone. Under mobile phone, it is a smartphone. Under smartphone, it is Vivo. Under Vivo, it is a brand. Let's say I'm just taking an example, Poco. Then 128 GB completely. So this information you have to give under the product category. So I would recommend to add at least the 10 or more products whenever you're creating a campaign. So Google picks every information, and whenever your users are searching for it, they'll be able to see it under free listing and as well as campaign. Okay, now once we are done with this part, what we have to do is we just need to go here. All your data will be fed. You don't even have to save it. Okay, let me close all the unwanted tabs. Now after this, what you need to do is you need to click upon your continue, and you need to continue the shopping ads part. Click upon continue. So you will be getting the check mark from your website, products, and next one is we have to integrate the Google accounts. Before going over there, you just need to scroll down and you have to click upon I have read the terms and conditions of the policy. Okay, so you cannot see this active because your product is still unverified. Once your products get verified, you will be getting an activate option over there, which you have to select it. Then after that, what you need to do is you need to scroll up, click upon this bell icon, and click upon this linked accounts, where we are going to link account with Google Ads. So let's click upon this Google Ads linked accounts and look for your Google Ads account. Okay, now I've already linked one account. For learning purpose, I'm going to use this now. I'm going to link it. So let's click upon link. Yes. So please keep in mind this number. Let's open a new tab and look for Google Ads. So I already opened it. So let me click upon this and look for that account. What is the number? It is 535,362. 535,362. Yeah, this is the account. So that's the new account which I'm using for the practice purpose. Now can you see the bell icon towards your right top? You need to click upon this bell icon and you will be getting Merchant Center account link request. You need to click upon view, and as a owner authority of this Google Ads, you need to approve it. That's it. Please click upon view, and can you see this? Please approve it. Done. Can you see we have linked with it? So let's go back to Merchant Center and refresh our page and check whether we have linked it properly or not. All right, can you see the active? Yes. So this is all about the Merchant Center. So whenever you want to add your product for free listing, or whenever you are planning to create a campaign, you have to come to this Merchant Center, create an account on that, then start feeding all your data over there. All right, now once we have done with this part, what we have to do next is we have to create a campaign on Google Ads. So let's open a new tab and look for Google Ads here and click upon new Google Ads, and let's start creating a campaign now. So keep in mind, whichever account that you are linked with, use the same account for creating a campaign. So let's click upon new campaign. So we'll be looking for sales and looking for shopping campaign this time. Can you see this Amazon shopping got loaded? Okay. The first option says smart shopping campaign. Let's understand what is smart shopping campaign. It will help to maximize your conversion value by using automated bidding and target across the Google search network, display network, and YouTube and Gmail. This campaign will take priority over standard shopping and display remarketing campaigns. This will be really helpful. So let's click upon continue now. The smart campaign, as the name says, smartly we are going to work with Google now with the shopping campaign. All right, now let's give a name to your campaign. Let's click upon additional settings, local products. So let's click upon this local products and let's enable it. This campaign will take the priority over the standard shopping over the local product that you include. So whatever the local product that I've added, that I can see it here. And then let me scroll down. I have to set up bidding, that is return on ad spend. So what is return on ad spend? Suppose I'm spending around 10,000 rupees in a day. What is your return on ad spend? I need 5 times more than that. Now when I'm investing 10,000 rupees over here, I have to get 1 lakh of rupees. That is the return on ad spend. Okay, I'll be focusing on that. Now I'm not going to give this. Okay, I'm just going to make it as percentage. Like that means 5 times, 500 times I need a better return. Okay, that percentage I have to give. 100% means what? If you are investing 100 rupees, your 100% of 100 rupees will be 200 rupees. Okay, 500 means what? 100 rupees you are investing, you are getting 500 rupees. That is 500 times. So I'm giving 500 percentage over here. The next one is budget. How much you are ready to spend? 10,000 rupees I'm spending per day. Remember, this is shopping campaign. So please set a start date and end date, and you need to save and continue. Okay, so once you're done with that, you have to add your products. So let's click upon this products. So once your products gets approved, you'll be able to see your product over here. Okay, select that particular product, whichever you want to focus upon your campaign. Then you need to click upon save. Then once you're done with that, you need to add your assets. Now what are assets? You'll be talking about your brand. Okay, add relevant images. So let me pick the recently used. Okay, I'm not having it. So add the relevant images like you're done for your shopping campaign. I'll add one for learning purpose now. Okay, so add the relevant images. Then you'll be adding the relevant videos also. Okay, so Vivo. Look for that particular keyword over there. You'll be getting a list. Select those videos and you can create a campaign. Okay, select them and save it. So customer will be able to see this. Then you have to give a short headline. Focus on keywords, guys. And detailed description. Then your final URL. Done. Now you need to save it. Okay. That's it. Once you added all these details, your campaign is ready to get triggered under the smart campaign. Okay. Hope this session was really informative for you. So the other part, that is how to create a standard campaign, you'll be learning in the next video. Hope this session was really informative for you. See you all soon in the next session. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Alright. Hope this session was very informative. So let us meet again in our next session. Thank you.